Cards. Most of the options in the card submenu were already covered. We'll go to the visitors list. The visitor module allows us to allocate temporary cards for visitors. Those cards will be limited to a certain period, and every time we issue this card, we will specify the details of the visitor and its visit. In this part, we will see the pool of visitors' cards. We can allocate in advance 10 or 20 or more cards to be used by visitors in the future. Right now the list is empty, so in order to create some cards, we click on temporary cards, just like we saw in the card list, and we enable a card. We click add, enable, we flash the card to a reader or a desktop reader. Invalid card. And we can see the card details. We can specify the starting date and the end date, and then click OK. Now we have one card in the visitors cards pool. We can select this card number, or we can add more, and then in order to enroll this card and provide it to a visitor, we click add. Now the card will be active. We give an ID number, enter the visitor details like first name, last name, code, gender, and whatever other additional information. Allocating the department will set the access level this visitor will have. So usually we should create a department with the typical access level we would like to provide visitors, and then by selecting the department, we are setting the doors that this visitor can enter using his card. We can see here the expiration date for this visitor, and we can change it. Loading, we can load a picture, or we can double click the canvas if there is a web camera connected. Once we finish, we click save, and the new card will be enrolled with this visitor's details. We can delete cards to bring them back to the pool, the visitors cards pool, and we can create a visitor's report.